Welcome to Luxant.shop, where luxury meets bespoke craftsmanship. Discover our exclusive collection of high-end furniture designed to elevate your living spaces. Experience enduring elegance and durability with our premium collection. Each piece is crafted from the finest materials to ensure lasting beauty and strength. Discover exceptional products for your refined lifestyle in our hand-picked collection. Each piece is selected to bring elegance and comfort to your home. Access special savings on luxurious items, elevating your experience for less. Enjoy exclusive deals that make luxury more accessible. Our exceptional customer service is here to assist you every step of the way. Experience personalized assistance and support to ensure your satisfaction. Shop with confidence with our safe payment options. Visit Luxant.shop today to experience luxury shopping at its finest. Explore our curated collection and transform your home with unparalleled sophistication and style.